Most of us are under heat advisories, and our eastern communities, including Clinch, Eccles, and Telfair County, are under extreme heat warnings. Extreme heat warnings are the highest level heat warnings we will get, with heat indices over 110 for at least 3 hours. For the heat advisory, it's over 105 for at least 3 hours. But I'm forecasting a heat index here in Albany of 110. That's what will be maximized at. Your forecast this morning, mid to upper 70s. I would say more upper 70s, feeling like it's in the low 80s. We'll get into the 90s here pretty quickly at 11 a.m. and then hang out in the mid-90s midday and then reach for that 100. We're forecasting a high of 101 today, which would tie the record high from 2010 of 101. Let's look at those forecast heat index values. Already feeling like it's in the low to mid 90s around 10 a.m. Noontime, we're in the 105 range, and then you can see that we'll run towards 110 Valdosta and Homerville around 3 o'clock. Here in Albany, too, we'll take a run at 110 as well. So very hot conditions across the board. Humidity levels will be on the rise, and we even have a slight chance of a shower and storm in the overnight tonight. We should try to break the heat wave just a little bit. From 7 to 11, 95 to 85, and then a few thunderstorms in the overnight. Rain chance is 30%. Let's go to Futurecast. The heat wave is in full effect here. Now, what you'll notice is this low pressure starts to develop. We call this a thermal low, a heat low, or a thermal trough. There's also a trough extended from that. So what does that mean? That means it gets so hot the air rises, and eventually it'll pull in, even if the mean wind is out of the west, northwest, offshore, it's going to pull in the moisture from the Atlantic and the Gulf. That's why it never gets to 115 here. This happens in the deserts. It gets 115, 120, 125, Death Valley, and all those crazy temperatures you see. We got moisture, and that moisture is going to start to produce some showers and storms as early as this evening overnight, but especially tomorrow. And so we will see some hotter conditions tomorrow once again, above that century mark in some cases. But because of the higher humidity, it's probably going to feel more oppressive tomorrow than today, and that's why we continue the first alert weather day to tomorrow. Now, we start to get back into some more typical type heat and scattered showers and storms on Wednesday. The heat kind of lingers a little bit as we go into Thursday and Friday for finally breaking as we head into the weekend. We're talking temperatures that will be below average by Sunday. That sounds good, doesn't it? We'll talk all about it on WALB News at noon. No. Today in Georgia, 5 to 7 a.m. It's been a rough Monday. The internet is out. Imagine that. My house too.